alone because me not trouble you. You bring me down, say me a race, me come a foreign fake passport, my house dirty, shit up, think, I'm a thief. I'm a target thieving goods in my house. Me no want a friend from Uno. I want to know with cause when you're somebody a genuine friend, yes, you might meet with them, but they're not going to tell you what the enemies that out road them come pack up and tell the internet. Move away. I will never ever chat back to you. You in America, you're crazy? Who can come put put a misinformation for my identity and say, oh, you come a friend from brother passport. I want me to hey, move from your son. Move, me hate you for life. I come to a boy, you're going to send immigration come to Mexico, but I don't even know if you're going to get papers yet. Hey, go on here. Me can't like you. People who don't know this, you see, once you see me a cuss, and I click like back and nobody a cuss them, because I make a decision. And my decision was to move past you. Now, stop calling the phone them in the house, and stop coming live when you see me, and I come argue, talk. I don't want a friend from you, girl. It's one simple word. I don't want a friend. You have to understand. The people that you like is not people that me like. And sake of that, we are not compatible. Neither for friends nor even talk up.
Dropped up. Why you dropped up?
Then you come click me if I play match with you and you know win. I'm not talking for the gift them, yeah.
Dropped up. How are you?
You see them white here now when you look at my teeth them yellow me I win. Sure. Can't bother. You don't like me. I don't know why you don't like me. I can't protect that. I can't curb that now and can I say, oh, like me. You don't like me because you don't hear other people say things about me where you don't feel like, okay, then I can't work with what they must say. You don't like me because I'm doing something. I don't know, bring me down because I'm physically doing something. You bring me down because of other people. Miss Jolette Williams, don't make me give you a clap black. You will soon be friends again. I'm staying out of this. Miss, I will block you. I am not a beggar like you and your friend them on the internet. What kind of friendship I want from them? I get benefit from them? I want somebody me will cuss and war and chop up our friend back with an Nicholas. Yeah, because she make magic work sometime. I get in the street and then people that my friend and mash up our friend back. In the street, people can get stuff done for me. You can't do nothing more than more and blood clot rose, my love, man. Then look, I buy friendship and I buy none, I'm sorry.
That's
No come that's what you know, Rose, my love. You living at the Bronx, the Harms House place, the Bronx. You understand? You know what come tell people what for do and how for act. Me not beg like Uno and a friend them. So when you come on to who I got friend back, I'm not for friend back, no girl, can the girl have no benefit from a ride offer. Before? No girl will diss me. If you don't have reason, me don't want no friend from. Go get her work. Sir Frag, I'm here to talk to. I would have drunk who you talk to. Somebody asked the person who she talk to. It's more than 58 following and 20. You follow more than you follow more smart than we follow you. Where you go? You never sent a gift yet. Doing everything to get adopted by alien. Your profile not even make no sense. You just want to look at attention. So you get it there. Your name don't make no sense. Your profile don't make no sense. You just is nobody like myself, yeah. Fucking bribe on to get a job. Pussy. You think so them look a bomber clap 449 cents. I can blood clap by food night. How you see up? You think a $449? A $4.49, baby. That shit can buy now. I think I can take half of that. Where you want young man again?
Yeah, one again. Come on.
Hey, I want to know. Because every time you come and see you want to play a BM, you didn't want to talk to me.
Yeah.
I'm a yam, well, you're yam, you're cocoa.
But you're going.
That's begging on TikTok. You start bringing me down. When name Tikki and them, if I go tell if you go look work, I already have a job, honey. So you don't even tell me if I go look no work. You know see me I beg I want to play match. I chat me come for chat. I want to play match. I try to look a friend from long time, so me I give him a chance. Cause I like play match. Them know me, once them click on my see me, I tell them straight up, I don't want to play no blood clot match.
Big thing!
I like say big money. I mean I like how can nobody take half fight unless the government
Let's
take
go.
the tax.
Let's go. We don't want to understand what he said. Let me wait. Let's go.
But I
Let's
do
go.
have a
Let's
job,
go.
Miss our ma'am Sir Frog. Yeah, me not jump on the internet I look for script from Uno, my love.
Let's
Yeah, me
go.
can't tell anyone to kiss my ass anytime coming out. Come back kiss it tomorrow, my love,
Tikki.
come back that shit. Yeah. The only somebody me not gonna be ungrateful to God because God make it possible for me to have a job.
Big J, king of the kings.
Remember, I always be
King
grateful to
of
God.
kings.
Nah, disrespect my God, I'm gonna always be thankful because I am
Let's
blessed.
go.
I've been watching you a long time. Hey, Joylet. Joylet, you know what joke I make with that girl? You know what joke I make? No offense, no disrespect. You know? Me need not disrespect my mama, but you have to talk to her. Same like when I come up and I talk with I'm a good clean mouth. Sometimes people find it offended.
King of Kazakh.
You know,
Let's
sometimes
go.
people say something will probably get me fucked up. I'm gonna give them back my mind. But basically, yeah. No hard feeling.
Get a speed. Bonus.
Yeah.
Bonus mission time.
Them not tell them fear it on the app, so make them fuck off. That true still coming. You're not telling Ivan and the girls are come with big lip. You see, Ivan bought you a blood clot extra large size lip there. She take on the money pay for my love.
One rose. Thank you so much for the one rose.
Murder.
Get a speed one.
PH.
How you say?
Yeah, my niece, she have a good job. She not pay for big, my love. But we chat.
Then she did the she did the me not see her power.
Jackie.
What thing they was she do?
I badge.
It hide, you know, yeah, hide.
I'm gonna go call up the constable officer. They have Batman police in that service.
Yeah. You know we got to go deal. I'm hungry. Real estate.
This is one of the worst cold me ever catch a blood clot.
No, wait, is it what?
I'm gonna see the cold sheet jump out of my mouth. My blood clot, do not see it. Jesus.
No, we don't see it. What is it? They rob the child and what happened now?
Then rob me, see. Let's have beat her head on the TV.
You know how much money they rob her?
Blackjack, that's why I say to you, because your girl always know these information full of.
No, I don't.
You miss this one?
I don't because guess what?
That's why I ask you about it, because you that girl know you're full of information. There's no topic I'm pull up for you and understand.
No, I don't. No, listen, I wouldn't know because the things that may see a screen record, like she have a birthday party or something like that. She have a party.
Screen recording where you see a beat her head on the TV. Right now, me say she in hospital in a critical condition. I'm going to find out and come tell me later on.
But we can contact and get the tea. I ever see Shamar Paul left to get the story from she.
Back off your name, yes.
Yeah, the man. I don't know that.
She might them not have a body. I can't she my name as enough. All of a sudden you go see she might just pop up. You know them boy, they call them name anyway, them they hear it. And there. The Susie she might pop up on it. It's a bet. It's a bet. 5 more minutes.
You was there 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop up.
Oh. Them say because you investigate Blackjack, you have to find out because you live in Jamaica, you know foreign people business more than me. You live in foreign, so you have to come and
I'm a busy person. I'm a busy person.
No, we have destiny out of that one. Yeah. This is a Batman business.
Yes, this is the one.
Yes, you're a Batman, so a Batman business. This is no another one. Yeah. Mommy is a man, not a woman, my love.
This is very serious.
This bad cold on my chest. Every time I feel laugh, I cough more and cough. And it's horrible.
So we take for it.
I take NyQuil, I take this, I take that. I take one next dripping spirit, that's the name Tikki. I take all kind of thing, my love.
We just run it out or something. So
the best somewhere work for me so far, the peppermint. I just rub looking for my nose, my love, and the clear top.
Okay.
I break up the core. Everything else, love, now give me no vibe. That's just peppermint.
You're not allergic to nothing?
Onion and garlic. I'll get the onion and garlic. I feel like one of them dirty billionaires. I'm going to, if I go on my IG America, the dirty billionaire, my staircase them. I feel like I'm going down the staircase and down there have the fungus and the bacteria. I'm going to go get it, my love. Because you know, if you go through the staircase, I still have your inhale because you need oxygen. I mean, I walk from 22 floor after you, I go down. I dirty billionaire sit me off.
Like, who you like, black? You like me, Blackjack, or you just like black? What is it? What is it, Jackie? So tell me something. Let me first say your business, yeah. What are we at Tikki broke out from the internet?
This world is mine.
tell me, because I'm there to hear what went down.
But just tell she we just left my page alone. Zero. I was just sitting here in the pharmacy in the one yellow and green box. They can't pronounce it, my love. The red text, my love.
Retake. Where is that you do?
Do I follow the rest of the dirty Batman man class me? And I decide say, but now I gotta accept this, so I take away myself. But she still with fair code, I'm still with my crowd them. See one of the Batman them bust up Tikki over the blood clog gambling house and she come for live and she come play it offline, nothing not happen. So from this somebody say, oh yeah, well I know from this somebody say, oh, when you will if you take the buff and batter from certain Batman and come make certain Batman look good. Can it beat it like a dog? I don't know. Nobody tell me from the guy source I get it from.
She never do it.
Come talk about it below, but since you mentioned her name, I just want to talk.
Actually, that's fuck with you though. We can't deal with shit. I'm going to have the camera because people throwing couple of money, we can't deal with it. So,
Blackjack, where you run go?
No, look here, we can't
Just can't stop chatting on my love.
Where you run go, Blackjack?
What is it? Talk with your talk.
Trust no one. Trust no one.
Hello?
What a way them say Kenneth bust up Tikki over the gambling shop, my love, and Tikki come out and I just start saying, she afraid of Kenneth, my love.
No, you know what I say? You look like Sal a lie about telephone, Kenneth.
No lie. There's no lie here.
No, hold on there.
Listen, me hear from direct people that was at the scene, people were involved to help part the war. Let me tell you how it goes. Since you don't understand and you see a lie, them I tell Pan Kenneth. After me tell you, then they can go ask Kenneth about how it goes.
Broadcast it.
Let me tell you how it goes.
Yes, thank you guys. Mm-hmm.
Then they ban Tikki from the gambling shop. Come and tell the girls, anyone not ban her from over there, I send the police come over there. So them say them the so-called ban her from the shop. Anyway, them ban her from the shop for true. So she reach out to Kenneth and beg, Tikki beg Kenneth. Say, Kenneth, I want to gamble, so I'm going to send them on that cash app for you put it on the gambling board for me. But look at it, I want to take the pressure there, so Kenneth, go and talk to the owner who own the gambling shop and say to the owner, say, boy, sister, everybody run there and play the match and Tikki say, come can make she come, sis. So Kenneth go pick her up and carry her to the gambling shop the night. When them go to the gambling shop, remember I'm firing this, a straight woman own the gambling shop, so you know, straight woman have straight man friend, or whatever friend they want call himself. That will still come around. At that point, there was one specific guy that always go there to chill with the female. But you know the trans them around, him not really pay that no mind, because they know man and man, if you're straight, you're straight. Anyway, Tikki don't know these, Tikki don't know if flex. Because you can be 10,000 Batman with your tail cock up in your back. But when you see people around that you don't know, you try to adjust yourself so you can eat smoothly so people don't feel like. Well, I'm going to tell the story, Mr. D. I'm not done yet. Let's tell the story. When I tell the story, then you can pick your 1 and 2 and your 3 and your 4. Anyway, after she in the gambling shop, my love, she never very nice. And the people tell her to calm down. She in there to wind up herself and I go on. I must say I go off for one of the man. Them like, you know, joke with the man.
Oh, I try.
The man,
Okay.
hold on. The man said to Kenneth, me I beg you warn your friend. Remember, Kenneth and Tikki is not friend like that. He only vented for him to come to the gambling shop since them so-called banned him because them say him loud.
Mama, burger.
So after the man did that, tell Kenneth, say, yo, me feel uncomfortable, yo. Tell your friend for easy, now, yo, easy. You know, Kenneth all get upset because guess what? It's in everybody opportunity to have people wanting to talk to you or fuck with you, not like sexually. Wanting people to chill with you and without people caring about your sexual life.
Yeah.
That moment, Kenneth just chip. Because it's like, hey, these are people we par with every night or chill with and them never have them uncomfortableness. But as Tikki come around here, so the man have come complain. So the fact that Tikki not chill, when the man talk to Tikki and I tell Kenneth, say, yo, talk to your friend. Make your friend easy. Tikki not easy. She get louder and louder. And then Kenneth just do this. Me say Kenneth just jump from cross which part she sit down and just dive pan Tikki. And start feed Tikki with lick no blood clot. Knife, candle, pot, pan. Everybody else that was there was laughing except for one person. The person who tried to part the war and them give me the story.
Anyway,
The person was like, Oniel look at them not like Tikki. I see
you
the
want me to
person
say
tell
now,
me.
right?
And then Tikki
Me a
come
big one
and
I
like,
say.
come ball out, say nothing no go so.
Me a big one I say. Me a big one I say, beating one for true. And
Kenneth did beat him, but
and two
Kenneth beat him
Batman
in
beat
regards
him.
to the straight man were feeling uncomfortable in the space where all of them did there.
But Oniel, after the incident, you know, me see Tikki on a live with Kenyatta. I'm gonna see my real upon a course or nothing.
Tikki call and beg apology. Apologize to Kenneth. Oh, Kenneth bust up him face, swell up him face, and him call and apologize to Kenneth. Apologize to the gambling shop because she want to go back down and go power with them.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't want a friend from after a big friend from them, my love. That's what even police station and tell her said don't forget because Kenneth ban a foreign. I want what Kenneth can make happen.
So because after the incident, I see her on a live with Kenneth.
No, only we never fight.
I'm gonna see her.
Kenneth comfortable and the straight man I said, Kenneth, I beg you warn your friend. I mean, it's a Tikki now take plead or heed and you just dive over and tag your some lick.
No, but,
Yeah.
but after the incident, me Kenneth say in my beat nobody.
Just Kenneth just come and say I beat her, but me says Kenneth beat her.
The Kenneth
That's
they
what
over
they
here.
tell me.
Kenneth they here.
I see what they're on to tell me now. You
Hello.
know, me not gonna call the source name, my love, come and tell mash up everybody. Mash up everybody. I'm not gonna call who, me can't tell you now who tell me. But a live and direct source, no, we never fight. Boy, Kenneth, how they fight the son is so like a give man big can go round them. Me say the man take up lick you down and then you the pan. Kept me leg up like you're thinking. You're thinking to the people then. But look at Kenny make Kenny come and
I
Kenny
come back. Let me tell you something, Oniel. Who know me in a real life? Me busy, you know, me a bastard at the something for White Plains Road. But hear me, I say, me come out of the shop. Who know me in a real life? Know say me no take no normal. You know say my brother and sister Jamaica lick me and want somebody can lick me good. And you know that long time. Remember say nobody know me, you know me.
Alright, so listen. When me hear, they say Kenny beat you.
I say
Now,
you hear
you know,
it's true. But me I go tell you my side. Remember say destiny they come cause me get sell up face,
as
you know.
I say people, me
And
can't
that
call the
people
person name and tell me come and mash up my sources.
We start from face sell up. No gusto girl.
Your face, tell them I go see your face.
If can it delete me, I need me come live much time after that girl you do miss me face.
Filter, I filter me, I look so pretty. Let me see your face, you know.
No, because we come live much time after that. I need me know you miss me the things them, but you
Girl, I think that more people, and that one for hear what transpire. Girl, what transpired leading up to Kenneth ripping off your shirt then? What happened?
listen to me now. It's a long story. I mean, I have to explain all of what
Okay, go try the story with me here, then
listen to
think
me now.
so,
Alright, let me tell you something. Listen to me now.
I'm not a friend for you,
I
know.
know when I blood clot comment section, I me glad I took one me just as ripping up off of my blood clot me and page. Chopper black and now when me click live, you know can't come about it.
Ma'am, what happened at the gambling house?
I can't tell you still know what me I go get.
Now come down and talk with me here.
Alright, come here. Me not, but me tell you, see here for truth, you know, hear me be truth and full of say, Oniel, they hear news for truth. Me know when somebody tell
why
you,
can it lick you? That more can it send no in don't lick you?
Can it never put you in for me? Can it jape me? I said to Mr. Granddaughter, behave yourself. And me like, can it tell you jape me for? And me start real, and me shut kind of tear. Me not, can it never lick me, girl? Me know see your ear news the truth. Can it never lick me, but me know your ear.
So why the person that tell me all of these bad stuff?
But then me know who tell you that person use them 14 a lot. Everybody afraid of them. Me know who tell us so. Me tell us your S. Me not have to say 40. Me know who tell us so, girl. I just tell me not have to say 40. Me just done with everything. Cause me know say.
Yeah, tell me this man will use up them parts.
Can they call me? Can they say to me say Tikki come live? Me say call me say come live. No you no cussing. Can they over there talk? Me go over there me say can it? You delete me can it say gone out? I me don't know what them are talk. But the same time when me the left can they call me for a video call? Can they even jump to? Can they never leave me?
But I cut up that jack.
Oniel,
I
come
trust
here.
no one. Me glad to say me never run with this system.
Oniel, come here. Kenny could have licked me, Oniel. Me run out of the gambling shop, Oniel. Listen to me. Oniel, listen to me. Oniel, me and you know me is a viper and me is a roaring lion. If Kenny did lick me, me run out of the gambling shop, tear up myself for a black blood clot Brooklyn. I'll knock you out your pass and put them, I go call police and madman. I give problem on the street. Me I go say, officer, this man is a citizen of Jamaica. Me came through the US illegally because he's a member of the LGBT community and me have a fear if you go back to my country and me go in front of our immigration judge and he give me one and he see me have a credible fear if return to my country and this man is being molesting me, assaulting me, checking me and being bullying me so me can't so me I don't know citizen and he can't do me anything and me know if he get justice. Can it never do me nothing? Can it never do me nothing? Me not have to go on the details. Can it never do me anything? You know what me have sense. Who know me not realize no me not run through. Can it never do me nothing? Can it tell me granny? I post a picture of my blood clot story now. When me and Kenneth last blood clot night, when me never go post, when me go keep it. Me and Kenneth a drink and kiss and hug up last night. Then can blood clot talk to me. Can it never do me nothing, girl? Me just know she said they wicked ass. Yes, I saw Batman. I saw Batman wicked. And the people
this man will tell me the met. I lied him, I tell my lie. L-I-E.
Yeah, me know. If somebody will tell you hear me tell us say I never lie, I tell you hear the news just how it go, girl.
Yeah.
But me tell you something, you say me a call on the phone because I cannot beat me. Remember I said
me know that's fine. People share call on my blood clot when I'm in there and say, me not can beat her, she won't come tell me now.
Every day me call you, me know we tear away, and I know me the first and the last time you go tear away, I don't know we. Girl, oh me and you, me no want a friend for you, you know, but you know what, so me no angry. If you want friend for you, got blind, you know, blood clot right there.
When them come to me, I can't get beat up over shots.
If you want friend for you, got blind me. Me don't want a friend for you, girl, but me feel a we are in relation. Remember how me and you alone didn't know me and you used to live, you know, we have to go to that.
This is not about us, this is about you getting beat up over
so, yeah,
people never take him down, coming on top. Thinking we're not reconciliate, we're not friend.
I used to be a call the phone, so I can know say where it come from.
Call it now, man.
Me not stop a blood clot. Me not stop. So girl, them want me stop calling. Me not stop. 64633 933 85. Me not blood clot stop. Me not stop. Oh.
People shall come for with them. I shall be grand from. Never call the blood clot.
64633 me not blood clot stop.
People tell him man to stop calling. My phone him coming too often. I'm gonna like it.
You hear me I say no. The girl see you before scream I said me still not take off you. But me tell you something, me I cannot no fight for you, cannot never lick me, cannot jape me, I don't know real. It better than this team blood clot jape me. Nobody, I saw Becky and that, me didn't like Jada do me here. And Jada do me here, me and Becky in India ramp. And Becky just tap me on my mouth. I say me more too bad I didn't walk attack, so Becky a box me up, Becky a disadvantage me. Little Becky which I weigh 30 pounds if you went up to blood clot. If Becky went up, people just want to see the worst of me and what things happen to me in America. Me have sense. Me dunce, but me is an intelligent dunce. Me say, me dunce, but me is an intelligent. Who know me in real life? I know me for a Yankee, boy, my battersea chiller and a lover everywhere. No, I say nobody can lick me. I want somebody can lick me, I must say blood clot. Boy, be there for blood clot. Put me Oniel, you know, you wish on me attack. You want a blood clot. Oh, that 12,000 US me come here. I'm never give me $10. A real man support me and help me come here. And a real man support me now. A real man support me like
Tikki, no Batman.
Me no one.
But majority of bad who come across the border and come on TikTok come beg no Batman give them the money. After real man give them money. When me that come America, real man give me money too. When me I come real man, when me I come America, real man give me them money.
I really man advice now. I'm here combo cash me. I'm here combo.
Tikki, me no combo. Tikki.
I mean, if you want with you good on Emmanuel Store Road, go Flynn blood clot.
Tikki, listen, I'm not all about that, because listen, Tikki, from a come America, nobody pan the media not hear me a class, not hear me a mix up with nobody. I'm just saying, Tikki, I'm just saying, Tikki, I'm just saying.
Advice you want give me blood clot, Tikki advice. I will take me for scabbing in a blood clot.
Tikki, me give everybody advice. Me give everybody advice. Tikki, I look like scabby in America in a real life. Tikki, I look like blood clot scabby in a real life.
Me supposed to look like a scabby a blood clot. Turn on your camera.
You look like scabby in a real life. Period. Don't make me go down the road. Tikki, you look like Stabby in a real life. What you mean by? Tikki, what you mean by? I'm not even gonna argue with you. I'm not do this because this is not me.
Can't still have one conversation regardless.
This is not me.
And you with the whistle that will blood clot look like a Stabby. Check your bloodstream and make with the whistle that will look like a Stabby. Remember when Dr. wrote operation found him put on 40 gloves the blood clot or 50 blood clot body suit the blood clot. I want to have, you know, on a seize to the bone. It's like an
To the bone, so yeah.
no blood clot come on, me never accept no advice. No call give me no advice.
Me not do this with you. Me not do this with you, Tikki. Me not do this with you because all we are saying you just come a blood clot America. I hear the all about make every girl at the thing.
We tell them the things. And I know they know do me ears. And I know they know do me ears that cover them blood clot, you. And I know that me I walk America, them a beat me, but you walk America, them a beat me, but you walk America.
Class, you are gonna go there with that cause cashmere of I would Tikki. I know the Tikki shit.
Yes, alright. Tikki, not Tikki. Oniel, I still come up here live, but I tell you, I get break them, I get Tikki one advice.
Yeah.
Tikki, I get a piece of
From who?
both
I don't want advice from
them
Tikki.
give him a
I don't want to. Let real man come
You want to pick him on your body as a girl.
Come here.
I would have to
You know what you say, Chuck? My last and final word. You know why me no want to let no advice?
Me not advice.
Clout with you. What a shit thing they do. Make real woman go advise me. Real woman them a real woman support. But camera go Yago.
in New York City.
Put up a profile picture. Move your blood clot. Yeah, what dog me used to call him camera. Me miss him. I wonder
Kemar,
if
take it down, because guess what, Kemar? You're doing something that's not going to help the situation. You're class Tikki and they're not your class sheep. I can't tell her if you're done when you're class. I can't tell her to them I beat her.
Oniel.
You
Tikki.
don't know,
Yes,
man.
you sound like a real woman. You can't apply Kivo a liar or a judge right there. So, can I hear what you have to say, Miss Brittany?
Alright. You know, what the club name?
You can't done. If you're not telling someone about people, never know.
Yes, Miss Brittany.
You know Quarter Rider?
You know who?
Quarter Rider. The club in a Boston Road. You want to go tonight?
No, me no
I
want.
think I saw 5 minutes from me yard.
No, me
Invite
never
me
walk
up.
on me yard.
Listen, lady, make sure me come for the fish down there instead. Me take you go on our yard.
So, Oniel,
Invite me out. I ride
last
down to the corner
night.
with them. I can't walk down there.
Me a come a Boston when me done, but me a go back on me yard at Brooklyn now. Me just go pick up something. Me nice clean friend.
Oniel, you got boxers last night? You went to boxers last night?
And me not go last night.
Them have one big party last night about
Ashley, listen to me. Ashley, listen.
You can't give
Away
that
there.
right to put money in a wig. You see them tan? Because she got with man, got put money in a wig and me rent there want to pay. And them send up with everybody and go and bad on the internet, you know, me rent want to pay lady. Then the money come, you got put Tikki in a blood clot, we got shit up in a wig.
You want to see the big jeep where Tikki a jump up?
You want back some of the money, me love. And I got put Tikki in a wig and me a whore rent. This can't work, me love.
Don't worry about me.
Somewhere while I come and see you never have an ear.
Don't worry about me. And you want to start you up.
bitter than you could never. We're bitter
Bleaching cream mash up.
Hold on, Tikki. Hey, people, you know, see, I'm my hairstyle Shamar Chief with the bee business there.
No, I'm always on
I'm my hairstyle people over IG. Come out of my blood clot hairstyle, you know.
Over IG,
My hairstyle is not dead, dog. I mean, I don't really wear bead in a drunk cup. When you like my walk and copy everything when people, the girl, take out the girl.
I know my fault, make your head tap and grow back, you know. I know my fault, make your blood clot head tap and grow back. I know my fault, make your head tap and
My hairstyle, Shamar. Team hairstyle.
Always I do my ears, so true. Sometimes I can't, but I remember my ear and cut it.
I'm the first one to make you like this, and you start holla.
No.
Don't listen to me, please. I don't listen.
Well, at least it fit more than how it would have fit you.
Watch request on there, so we can't manage so much on, you know.
Me I go come down, me can give some of them.
First thing, me don't know who they behind IPH.
Yeah,
You
I'm like from
me
the
can't
town.
get to face standard. A Benz me a driving. You're mad.
Them gone big house in New York.
too mad.
Now show the bed sign, man.
We don't want one freaky show. Why Freaky Friday? Why all long time, man? Why all dirty generation back in here, man, for me? I'm here driving a Benz. I here driving a bag wagon. I can't talk about you. I can't see you pushing a foreign. You put them tired and you're not exercising. I'm bleaching cream, I shut my face, Shads. Shads don't have to worry about me.
Yeah, Oniel, so what is the new topic now, Oniel?
Yes, Jody.
You know, so when Shamar and Tikki them come through the topic of a pause, my dear.
Yes, Jody.
But tell story now, Oniel, that one your art.
Well, I know the topic is.
Boy,
Shamar, remember you did on a Caribbean, a local news, the international news spread, no man. Trust no one, because you are going over Gaza.
Alright, so cool.
Yes. RT Boss and
Spice.
No Spice. RT Boss and Cat.
Listen, you see when they come on to RT, nobody know you're not more than long time. You know what Martin man.
But him say Kartel you used to beat my love.
So what? All of us beat back meat.
But when I say enough real unalive in my love.
Oh, that the RT?
Yes.
He dead already in the power over time.
But let me tell you, when RT got Jamaica, I love RT if you have one bag of security.
Them say me in the hospital. Oniel.
Let me go to a look information.
Them say me in the hospital.
Hold on. You see, that time when my Popcaan Spice, he have to run to come America and go Atlanta go live because them the tea. So I leave RT kill up himself. I look at RT or RT look stressed out. All of them come back him look at customer, then come back in a problem, girl. RT back on the man for me pull up the bag.
Them say me somebody in the hospital, my love.
And what do me say?
The old man, me got top come live with them because no, me live America.
No, you come and tell me something, my quick here, no Oniel.
No, lady just asked a while ago, missing after I would tell the lady say no go so.
Yeah. You
Oh.
and if you miss, you cannot
The woman I don't ask.
Jesus, just don't want
to come mash up. You know what I mean?
I'm come here, come cuss me now.
No,
mash up, you know.
made him attack it on one live just a while ago, on one next live.
Oh.
when I drop this cinder block on him, he'll sky.
What's wrong with that for true?
Oniel work on Macy.
Huh?
Oniel work on blood clot Macy.
Well, I can go for the
other man say, Popcaan no pengeling. I want little gears to keep up and I mouth.
But that's not secret. That's not secret, my love.
But in breed, man do with the little gear stick.
Yeah, but it's Suda big and Suda make baby no cry. Listen, I no time for Popcaan and RT, but so RT not say nothing. I coconut, what's up, baby? I go.
RT not no money right now. We don't call RT name. RT not no money. We don't call dirty people name, my love.
But on
Yes, you know.
that's why I think, my love, I never work, my love.
Yes, about Macy.
I may say that.
Yeah, we never
In time, Macy catch. Only in time, Macy catch. Macy, I go lick out your blood.
Macy can't fight, you know.
That be nice. She all our weekend. She a muscle master fight.
She a girl